make your marketing faster from Canva AI as well. That is also a part of our discussion, Canva AI. Let me show you Canva AI. Canva has given an assistance AI tool. You can also make the marketing tool directly from the Canva AI. Because look, understand, Canva has a data of what? Templates. They have a lot of templates. All just you have to try Canva AI and you just have to give a prompt. They will use their trained model, which is trained by these templates, and it will start giving you the information on the real-time basis. Make a poster for cold drink campaign. Let's say I'll put it. This is for you, Janet. CMPA campaign. So when I do that, it will start making it as whole due to organization administrative policy unable to make. Okay, which account I'm using. Got it. I'll change my account. I'll show you how you can. Also, you can use it directly from the chat GPT as well. Janet, you can in the chat GPT, you can go and connect your Canva. And in the chat GPT, you can simply say that you go to the Canva here and you click on the Canva. I am in the Canva now. And you can say make a CMPAI campaign poster for cold drink. I'm just using a very simple prompt. That is why it is giving a very basic idea. We will be learning how to prompt things as well. Now it will plug in directly to Canva because I have linked my Canva account with his. And yes, and we can see this. It has given a vibe to me. Now it will go to plugin. I'll give it a yes option to for plugin. Now go ahead. Now it's talking to Canva and it allows me to confirm it. Once I confirm it, now it's working in my Canva's background. Yesterday, we have seen how we can work in the Gmail with the help of Mistral. Today, we are watching how we can integrate Canva directly with the GPT. And we can see the plugin feature allows to make the content on here only. So those who are not having the paid version of Canva can use Canva inside the GPT to get the same functionality. But those who are using the paid version of Canva can use directly inside the Canva feature. This also we have in discussion team. I would show this. We will be discussing this in the presentation and documentation part. That is napkin and Canva is also pending. We will talk about this as well in the coming session. Then go back to GPT. I was showing you, Janet. So yeah, the options are ready for you now. It will even if you give you options. So I hope it makes you some answer done. Janet, what's it? Yeah. So now it doesn't end there also. If you like this tool, you click on this, it will take you to Canva now. Now half of your brainstorming discussion part is over. You can change, you put your name in Janet here and you can chill out. You just didn't like this font. You asked to change the font to let's say this T2 halves and now it is good for you. You can just go and you can just share and download it. No problem. That's how you can do it. So earlier what we do, we used to come here, we select the template, we do the brainstorming of the content and then we come up here. But now you just directly can jump in with the help of brainstorming feature of GPT and landing to Canva to get your content developed.